So what's for supper? Well, in our garden we have something that grows everywhere. What's this called, Olive?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. So I asked one of my littles, part of my corn team, this is my expert chef, Olive, my niece, to help us out today to make what? Zucchini?
Bread.
Zucchini bread. So we have Miss Olive's zucchini bread. We had so many of these in the garden, didn't we? So let's make something fun with them. The first thing we need to do, Olive, you know, we mix up a whole bunch of dry things together, right? Okay, so we have 3 cups of flour. Use your little whisk. You're gonna mix all this stuff up. And this is baking soda and baking powder, the magical things, right? And a little bit of salt. Let me grab some salt. You can stir those together for me, okay? Good job. Keep them stirring them, mix them all up. So we need another teaspoon of salt. Did you know what? If I put that just in my hand just like this, that's a teaspoon. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in there. All right, now I think we could put the cinnamon, and for all the ingredients, we have those on our website, right, Olive? Do you like zucchini bread?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you did a nice job on the dry things. Now, we want to keep the dry things separate from the wet things right now. We're just mixing them all up. You can also sift them together with a cool little sifter, but we're just having Olive use a whisk right now, right? Okay, we'll set that aside. Now we mix the wet things together. Will that be fun?
Yeah.
You use this, okay? So we need a cup of oil, or you can use applesauce. Next, how about 1 cup of brown sugar? So that's a half cup and another half cup. That makes 1 cup, right? Doing a little math. That's a lot of fun, huh? You can mix those up together. And we have 1 cup of white sugar. Keep mixing. And looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna do a little bit of vanilla. We love vanilla. Now let's crack some eggs. Do you like to crack eggs?
Yeah.
You wanna help me? Okay. You crack that egg, I'll crack this egg. Crack it on the, here, right on the side of that. Okay, crack it. Give it a good job right there. Very nice, Olive. I'll take that from you. Go ahead and do this third one. So we need 3 eggs. Good job, wow. Nice job, chef. No one will ever know that there was a piece of that shell in there. I'll take that from you. Good job. Okay, keep stirring. We have to add a special ingredient, right? The whole point of this was we wanted to add in some zucchini, right? Mm-hmm. I'll keep stirring this. I want you to help me with this zucchini, okay? So we did most of it for you. If you take this little grater, remember, be careful. Okay, that's sharp right there. But you are going to grate a little bit more zucchini for me. Is that okay? Okay. So many of these in the garden that this will be easy for you to do. Okay, have you used one of these before?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna hold it up here and be really careful. Okay, you just push it down like this. Okay, all right. Just do a few pushes. Here like this. Good job. We need 2 cups of zucchini. I did most of it for you already, okay? Now I flip it around like this. Good job. And see how it grates it underneath there? Okay, great job. You can't even taste it when it's in there, can you? What's your favorite part about the zucchini bread?
How it tastes.
I would agree. Okay, you have all that zucchini. There should be 2 cups in there, right? Okay. Take your wet and your dry ingredients. Let's take this and you put your zucchini in there. Dump it all in. Good job. I'm mixing up these eggs really good with all the other ingredients. Nice. Okay. And let's get your spatula. Make sure you get all of it. Can you get all of it in there for me? Can you get it all? Good job.
Looks like applesauce.
It does look like applesauce. Very nice. Get it all out of there. Good job. I like zucchini bread because no one knows there's vegetables in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it still tastes yummy. That's pretty good. Okay. Can we stir it up with this one? I'll take the whisk out of there. We'll get that in the washer. Good job. Okay. Dig down deep with this. There you go. Turn it over. Nicely done.
It's hard.
It is hard. Doing good. Get all the dry stuff, mix it in with the wet stuff. Good. Smush it around. Now, if anyone forgot any of these ingredients and they didn't have a chance to write them down, we'll put them on our website, right, Olive?
Yeah.
Okay. You can also cut corners if you don't have the oil, vegetable oil like we used. Then you just use a little bit of applesauce instead. Just need something to wet it down a little bit. Doing a good job. We're gonna put it in these little loaf pans, because this is what you're used to putting them in, right? Loaf pans like that. And we might need 3. So how about if we use those? You ready? Okay. We're going to put a little bit in this pan. A little bit in this pan, fill it up. Ooh, can you help me get that off there? Good job. Getting a little messy on the sides, but that's okay, it'll still look good. So how does it taste?
Good.
So far so good? All right. Good. One down. That one's done. Let's bring this one in the front. Almost ready. Do this one like that. Who likes zucchini bread in your family? Your mom? How about your dad?
Yeah.
Does he like it too? Ooh. We're only gonna fill these pans about half full. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Almost done. And then we'll pop them in the oven for about 40 minutes. Okay? And then we're going to have Miss Olive's special zucchini bread. Does that sound good? Mm-hmm. There we go. Let's do the oven. Can you grab that little one for me? 1, 2. Thank you. Okay. Olive, look at your beautiful zucchini bread. Wow, this is really nice. It's kind of crispy on the outside, and we sprinkled a little powdered sugar on top. That's fancy. Something went out of our garden. We had so many of these. Popped a little bit of zucchini. I'm gonna cut this for you. Cut a little piece off the end, a couple of pieces there. I can see a little bit of that zucchini in there. Look at that, it's nice and perfect. Smells good. Would you like to try a piece? Ta-da! Isn't that awesome? You did a really great job. And guess what, everyone? That's
What's
for supper.
I'm not